What's up guys, we are back with some unpacked news. Finally, we have the pricing leak for the Galaxy Watch 5 series as well as the foldables. Plus, Samsung has prepared a super ultra surprise for the fans. Before we talk about everything, let's take a look at how Samsung is making everyone happy by giving free money for doing absolutely nothing. Yes, you can earn up to $200 Samsung credit for just reserving your order, which is just adding a bunch of text without paying anything, just reserving. Once you receive this $200 free credit, you can spend that on the website buying anything when you're about to actually pre-order the devices. Now, what about the actual price leak for the Galaxy Watch 5 series? Well, the Watch 5 is actually cheaper than the last year's Watch 4, just slightly, whereas the Pro model is slightly expensive. As for the Galaxy Fold series, it seems like the pricing is more or less the same as last generation. The difference once again is that Samsung is offering $200 extra Samsung credit. Like I said, you can use to buy anything on Samsung store, and then there will be even more freebies than ever later down the line. Now, Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is slightly expensive for a very good reason, because Samsung has indeed prepared a super ultra surprise for the fans. While the S22 series is not known for its great battery life, the Watch 5 Pro can actually go for days. Yes, according to Ice Universe, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro can apparently last for 3 days at least. That is about 80 hours, which is twice than that of Galaxy Watch 4. This might be the best battery life on any flagship smartwatch out there. Even the upcoming Watch Series 8 may not be able to compete with this, which means it's gonna be a huge win for Samsung. We know that Samsung has removed that iconic rotating bezel, but what if this is the reason why they did it? The Watch 5 Pro is indeed looking pretty solid. Lastly, Samsung is claiming that the mainstream moment for the foldables is finally here, because they actually sold nearly 10 million units of the Z series last year. This time, the forecast is even higher than before. You can tell that they're pretty confident because they're offering literally $200 for just signing up and reserving on the website, not even doing the actual pre-order, which is crazy. All of that points to a very strong launch for the Galaxy Z series. That's all the news for today. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.